What's going on, everybody? If you're new here, I'm ToriJae and welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you all how to actually construct a wig on a sewing machine using the bundles that we had previously doubled in the last video. The link will be up here, and yeah, let's get started.
So we're going to start off by sewing down the flat side of the bundles where you can see that it's double wefted. I always start off by placing the cap underneath the footer first and then taking the bundle and aligning it. After you've aligned it, you want to gently slide it through and place the footer back down to secure your weft and cap. As you start to sew, be sure to gently spread the cap so it's flat and not bunching up. Always sew a little frontwards and then back stitch so your weft is secure and won't unravel. You want to do this method at the beginning and end of every weft.
Talking crazy, I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, you know, I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My body says go, baby. At last, till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
You can see that every time I'm sewing, I'm constantly making sure that the cap is flat beforehand and throughout the process. You want to flatten the cap out with your non-dominant hand gently. Don't tug, don't pull, just gently spread.
Let's just go, I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last, till my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit, know this shit, know what it is.
Okay, you guys, so everything is looking good. We're almost finished. We're going to take those double wefted bundles that we've been cutting off. We're going to make those into single wefts to cover these last 3 lines that we have, so everything can be flat as possible. You don't want a lumpy wig at the top of your head. So you always want to do single wefts for your last 3 to 4 lines.
shopping. All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy.
All right, you guys, so this part you want to make sure that you are extremely careful cutting the excess cap underneath the frontal. I always start by cutting the middle, and I only cut literally a few inches from where your thread is. So as you can see, I'm stopping it right there, and I'm leaving a generous amount of space in between me cutting the thread, because I mean, once you cut too close to the thread, you can ruin your entire wig, baby girl. Like, wig completely gone. All your hard work is gone. So be careful cutting this part. Take your time. All right, so your wig is fully completed and it's so full. These were the little pieces that I have left over. I couldn't do nothing with, so I'm just gonna throw them out. Yeah, that's basically it. The inside is neat. Everything is flat. It's very, very full. The reason why we doubled the wefts in the back, just to give it that complete fullness. And girl, I can't wait to wear her. Stay tuned for the next video, because we will be detangling her and co-washing her, and I will show you how to properly do that with curly hair.